Diversity and synergy lessons from birds. Step 1. Recognizing our tendency to judge and label others. We often judge and label people who are different, think differently, or behave differently from ourselves. When we categorize other people into an outgroup, we lose connection and empathy. We also miss out on using their perspectives and strengths. In order to authentically appreciate differences, we must first become aware of the strengths of different personality styles. Step 2. Understanding and appreciating different personalities. Do we ourselves or the other person fall into the category of dominant personalities who are task-oriented and value efficiency and effectiveness? Or is the influential style predominant, which values enthusiasm and engagement? Perhaps the steady, stable, caring style applies to us, where harmony and sincerity are valued. Finally, compliance can also be decisive, where correct, logical information and accuracy are important. Step 3. Empathy, the key to mutual respect. In business, managers are often in the dominant category. A study has shown that the majority of employees have the stable, harmony-loving, caring style. What happens when an eagle meets a dove and has no understanding of the dove's motivational factors, fears, and strengths? How effective is the leadership behavior then? Only the ability to empathize with all personality styles makes impactful leadership possible. Step 4. Leveraging differences for synergy. When we authentically and sincerely value differences and understand that differences are the essence of synergy and produce the best solutions, we can leverage the benefits of diversity. People with different talents and personalities are a gift. They help us see things from a different perspective and balance out our weaknesses.